morning all of you. In this lecture we start the new chapter, that is a human body. We try to know about the human body. We already know about the human is a multicellular in nature. Yes, multicellular in nature. Lot of cells are there in the human being. Millions of cells are there. Yes, you know, a group of cell. When a group of cell combine each other, that forms the tissue. And a group of tissue is called, yes, group of tissue. Here tissue. And group of tissue form, that is a organ. Group of organ is formed, that is the organ system. And you know, the group of organ system is formed the body. Human body means species. Species, yes. So now we start the chapter with the first of all digestive system, human digestive system. The human have the different organ system, digestive system. Yes. Second is a excretory system. Another system also human, that is the digestive system, excretory system, and a nervous system. Lot of other system also. But in this chapter we discuss about only digestive system and excretory system and the formation of urine. How urine form. Mechanism of formation of urine. Yes. So let us start the chapter with a topic, that is a digestive system. First of all, we think about what is the nutrition. What is the nutrition? Yes, nutrition. Nutrition means to take the food and digest the food. Then after digesting the food, we get the nutrients and utilization of nutrient for the activity which produce energy. Actually, nutrients produce energy. And we try to utilize it. Our body try to utilize it in different type of activities. For example, we get the nutrient like carbohydrate. It give us a instant energy. And second, fat, it give us energy for the long time. Protein helps to repair the wear and tear tissues. Help in the growth also. Vitamin helps to fight with the diseases. Minerals also, iron, which helps to form the blood. So lot of other nutrients that helps in the activity. Different type of activity. Yes. Now let us see which process of nutrients in humans are involved. Yes, the first process is a ingestion. Ingestion. It means we take food. First of all, we take food in the mouth. That is called ingestion. This is the process of taking in of the food. This is the process of taking in of the food. How digestion happen in our body, we see one by one. The first process in the digestion is the ingestion. This is the process of taking in of the food. Yes, students. Next, digestion. When the food go inside is there, that is the esophagus, that is mouth. And after mouth, here the tongue is there. After that, the parotid gland is there. Then pharynx is there. Esophagus is there. Food pipe. Then stomach is there. After stomach, that go into the small intestine. After small intestine, it go into the large intestine. Afterwards, it go into the rectum. Then the solid material coming outside through the anus. Yes, waste material go the anus. That is the excretion. So first process is the ingestion. This is the process of taking in of a food. Second is the digestion. When food go in the stomach, it start digesting. Complex food converted into simple food. Then that is the digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down of the complex food into simple soluble food. Form that can be absorbed by the body. That was easily absorbed by the body. Yes, third one is the absorption. See the name absorption. Mean when the food digested in the stomach, the food is partially digested. But afterward, when go into the small intestine, it fully digested and absorption of the food through the villi. And villi send the absorbed nutrient into the blood. And when the blood go into the full body, all nutrient distributed in a transported in the full body. Then we get the energy also by the process of respiration. Yes. So absorption. This is the process of taking in of the digested food into the cell for a use. That go into the cell for the respiration. And we get the energy from the different nutrients have the different functions. Yes. Fourth is the assimilation. It is a utilization of food energy, growth and repair and maintenance. Afterward, when we get the nutrition, then utilization, that is called assimilation. That is a assimilations. Utilization of the food is possible. When the willy absorb the food, then it go into the bloodstream. Afterwards, utilization of the digested food for the activities, for maintenance of the cells, for the growth, for etc. Yes. Last process is the ingestion. Egestion. That is the egestion. Matlab, yes. Here ingestion means to take out the food inside, and when the waste material left, which waste material left? That coming outside through the anus and anus. Yes. Egestion. This is the removal of undigested food from the body. Removal of undigested food from the body. Yes. Here now starting from the mouth. First of all, we take the food in the mouth. Then teeth. Teeth start chewing the food. Teeth start chewing the food. And afterwards salivary gland. That is a parotid gland is there, which produce the saliva. Actually, see there the parotid gland is what? Actually, animals have the three major. They see there. Three major glands are there. Three pairs of glands are there. Parotid gland, which secrete water secretion, saliva, and that is a submaxillary gland. That is a mandibular, and that is mucus secretion. Help in the mucus secretion. Yes. Last is the sublingual gland. Saliva, that is a predominantly mucus in character. It actually mucus. You know about mucus. Mucus is a liquid which protect which form the lining of the stomach. Helps to protect from the HCl. Same the mucus produced in the mouth also. That helps to protect our mouth from acid and another thing also. Yes. So these three glands are there. Actually, parotid gland is a major gland is there. Bilateral salivary gland is there. Then afterwards you know about the esophagus is there. Then stomach, then liver. Liver release the bile juices is there, which is stored in the gallbladder. In next lecture, we discuss about the proper working of digestive system. In this lecture only, I told about the which process is going on in our body, how digestion is possible, how digestion happen in our body. That we discuss in next lecture.